Hello viewers, it's look like Microsoft is working on a new security feature for Edge that will protect you from dangerous extension. This information comes from the Microsoft 365 roadmap. Normally, if you are using Edge and want to install a new extension, you would go to Get Extension for Microsoft Edge. You can do this from the Edge add-in store or even the Google Chrome Web Store. But sometimes extensions are installed from outside these official stores. This is known as slide loading, can be useful for developer or advanced user who want to test different extensions. This problem with slide loading is that it can bring in unwanted or harmful extensions. Some of these can reinstall themselves even after you delete them, while others may take control of your browser by changing your search engine or even stealing sensitive detail like your payment information or login credentials. Looking at the Microsoft 365 roadmap, this feature is still in development as it has not even reached Edge Canary yet, which is an early preview version of the browser. The roadmap states that Microsoft Edge will soon include protection against malicious sideloading extension. It will be able to detect and block them, and this rollout will begin in November 2025. This roadmap entry was added on September 25th, so according to it, Edge will automatically stop harmful side loading extension. It's still marked as in development, meaning a few more phases are left before it reaches the general release. This sounds like a good step forward, but I really hope Microsoft gives us some flexibility, maybe an option to turn this protection on or off. At the moment, it's not clear if this feature will be enabled by default or if there will be setting, perhaps under privacy search and services, to disable it if needed. As with all new feature, I will be keep an eye on this, and if I get more detail I will update you, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.